In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in CapCut and upload to Canva. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove background noise using CapCut, then upload the cleaned audio or video back to Canva. Start by opening CapCut on your desktop or using the web version. Both work for this workflow. Once you're in, import your video or audio file. You can drag and drop the file into the project or use the import button. Give it a moment to load, then place the clip on the timeline so you can edit it. Next, click the audio track in the timeline. If you imported a video, your audio is linked to that video clip, and you'll see the waveform on the timeline. Make sure the clip is selected so the editing options appear. On the right panel, click Audio. This opens the sound controls for the selected clip. You'll see options that affect how your audio sounds, and that's where the cleanup happens. Turn on Reduce Noise. This feature helps remove consistent background sounds like fan noise, light hums, or room hiss. It won't rewrite your recording, but it can make a noticeable improvement, especially when the background noise is steady. Adjust the noise reduction level if needed. Start with a moderate amount and listen carefully. Too much reduction can make voices sound muffled or watery, so aim for a natural tone. A good approach is to increase it until the noise becomes less distracting, then back off slightly to keep the voice clear. Play the audio to preview the result. Use headphones if possible, and listen to a few sections, spoken parts and quiet moments, to make sure the noise blend feels consistent. Toggle the reduce noise switch off and on to compare and confirm the improvement. When you're happy, click Export and save the file. Choose your preferred format. If you need the whole video, export as a video. If you only need sound for Canva, export as an audio file like MP3 or WAV. Name it clearly so you can find it easily. Now, open Canva. Go to your project, then click Uploads and upload the cleaned video or audio. After the upload finishes, replace the old audio in your Canva design. Select the existing audio and remove it, then drag your new cleaned file onto the timeline or canvas. If you exported a full video, replace the old clip with the new one so both the visuals and audio are updated. And that's how you remove background noise using CapCut and upload it to Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.